he contacted me because his windshield was leaking. So I came up in here and I pulled the pillars, and I checked the headliner to see if it was leaking, but it wasn't. So the next thing I did, like this whole headliner soaking wet. So I knew it wasn't coming from the windshield because the windshield is in the front. So then I automatically assumed it's coming from the sunroof. So what I ended up doing is bringing back the sunroof and checking the sunroof. I ran water and it drained good. So then I noticed that this vehicle was missing a whole glass rack. And it had these holes here. And had this hole here. It was filled up with something on the inside. And it had all silicone bulked up. It was just nasty looking. I actually scraped it down. I'm gonna end up priming it. But I was able to pour a whole bottle of water, half a bottle of water in this hole. I was able to pour steady flow water in these holes and all these holes. And then I came on the inside. And Lord and behold, all the water. And shit, he said he been riding like that for a minute. Every time it rains, it drips on his lap. But yeah, this whole thing is kind of saturated, but we found the problem. So I kind of like came through here and there's some scuff marks and stuff like that, but I already primed him. I already told him it's gonna look good. But you know, it is what it is, and it's better than what it was before, and we're gonna stop the leak. So we're gonna clean this up, we're gonna prime all this scratchy area stuff, prime that, and then we're gonna seal her up. And that right there stop the leak.